Today, in this video, our computer-aided design and manufacturing subject, let us discuss some important topics on cellular manufacturing and flexible manufacturing system. The first topic is production flow analysis. Basically, production flow analysis is nothing but identifying similar work paths and classifying it in part family. This production flow analysis uses information such as part number, sequence of operation, and lot size for the processing of parts. Production flow analysis follows these four following steps. The first one is data collection. In these steps, necessary data is collected and route sheet is to be prepared. This route sheet nothing but it consists of sequence of operation, lot size as well as time standards for our particular works. The second step is that sorting of process routing. In this step, we arrange the parts in group according to the similarities of parts and each part is named according to the part number. Next, moving on to the third step, preparation of production flow analysis start. In this case, all the details is represented graphically in the form of charts, tables, etc. In this chart, the information regarding each part is indicated. Next, moving on to the cluster analysis, which is the fourth step of production flow analysis. By referring the third step, that is preparation of process flow analysis chart, that is production flow analysis chart, here any correction regarding the part changing or sequence of part or rearranging the parts is done in this cluster analysis. Thank you.